Out of the ozone, into the muck. My character sheet, the cosmic truck. Got a laser gun and a magic spell, trying to survive this future hell. Bees and dragons everywhere I look. Rift swirl, baby, rift swirl, yeah. Danger lurking everywhere. Rift swirl, baby, rift swirl, true. What's a poor merc supposed to do? P.S. I stalker sniffing out the fear. Coalition boys always so near. Got a juicy friend high on the juice. Hope his implants don't come loose. Mega damage armor keeps me from the grave. Ooh. Rift swirl, baby, rift swirl, yeah. Danger lurking everywhere. Rift swirl, baby, rift swirl, true. What's a poor merc supposed to do?